MacBook and programming. Let's go see how this works for me in 2025. Currently, I'm using an M2 MacBook Pro. I use it both for work and for my side projects. It is still holding up really well, but I think I would enjoy it more if the screen was a little bit bigger. I find the 16.2-inch MacBook Pro a bit bulky, but I think the best combo would be the MacBook Pro in the size of the MacBook Air of 15.3 inches. Now let's start with the apps that I use for coding on the MacBook Pro in 2025, mostly for productivity and programming. I think the first app that helps a lot for setting up things on the Mac is Warp. It helps you to have things more organized and handle commands easier than the traditional terminal. And has a fancier UI. It has also AI functionality embedded that you can experiment with AI agents at the same time. Now we can talk about the app that does the heavy lifting, and I mean the heavy lifting daily. It's the PHP Storm. I work with PHP, so PHP Storm from JetBrains is the best idea to go nowadays. It has a lot of useful built-in functionalities that will boost your productivity, of course, and influence even the way you write code. Although I experience a lot of crashes lately, and this is something that I'm not really happy about it. I hope in the future we're gonna have a future fix for that, because we also pay an expensive subscription about that IDE. For database management, I use Table Plus. It is simple, robust, and I didn't experience any crashes or unresponsiveness so far. There are some limitations on the free version, but if it matches your needs, you can purchase a license and get the full experience, of course. For browsing, I use two different apps. The first is Zen. And I use Zen mostly for work-related stuff because I like how you can organize things on it. I use also Brave for things outside of work, like shopping, watching YouTube videos, booking hotels, tickets, etc. So yeah, that's my two options for browsing. The next app is Raycast. Raycast is basically a powerful spotlight alternative that has completely transformed how I navigate through my Mac. It's one of those tools that once you start using it, you can't imagine working without it, so it's a go-to tool for me. Now, what makes Raycast special, I think it's its flexibility. You can set up custom shortcuts, practically anything. Install extensions to control apps like Spotify, even directly from the launcher, and even manage your keyboard history. I have configured keyboard shortcuts for my most common tasks, which saves me tons of time throughout the day. And also Raycast has an excellent window manager feature built in, so you can quickly snap windows to different positions on your screen without needing to separate up for this job. There is also an AI extension available, though I haven't personally used it yet. Those are the main apps that I use for programming in 2025. Most of them are core for development process. I have some more productivity apps that I use, like Notion, for example, to organize things outside of coding, but sometimes I use it, for example, to store commands that I don't want to Google and have an easy access on them. I use it for budgeting sometimes. I use it to store my ideas for new videos and stuff like this. So tell me, what do you use in 2025 as a developer? What apps do you use about programming, productivity, and what makes your life easier on a daily basis? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you like the video, hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in the next one.